Hello everyone, in this video we will see how to install and configure PostgreSQL Server 18.2 on Ubuntu 24.04.4 LTS version. But the installation process is same on all Ubuntu operating systems. Okay, first open the default web browser that comes with Ubuntu Linux, that is Firefox. Then go to PostgreSQL official website, it is PostgreSQL.org. Click on download, then select Linux, then click on Ubuntu. Then see, PostgreSQL APT repository supports current versions of Ubuntu 26.04, 25.10, 24.04 and 22.04. I am on 24.04. Okay, but the commands are same for all versions. So copy these commands one by one. First, it is going to import repository signing key. Then it is going to create repository configuration file. Okay, so first we have to install this CS certificates. Open terminal, copy and paste those commands one by one. Hit enter, provide the password of the sudo user, hit enter, type A for confirmation and hit enter. It is done, Ctrl A. Now import the repository configuration file by running these two commands. Now create the repository configuration file. Now update the packages, sudo apt update. It is done. Now install PostgreSQL Server 18. Sudo apt install PostgreSQL -18. Want to install 17, replace 18 with 17. It is up to you. Hit enter. See, it is going to install these packages and these dependencies. Type A for confirmation and hit enter. See, we are installing version number 18.2. We have successfully installed. Now verify the status of the PostgreSQL server. Sudo systemctl status PostgreSQL. Hit enter. See, PostgreSQL server is started 22 seconds ago and it is enabled. See here, it is active. If you quit, now connect to PostgreSQL server. Sudo su-postgres PSQL. See, we have successfully connected to PostgreSQL server. But this is not the version of the PostgreSQL server. It is PSQL client version. To verify the version of the PostgreSQL server, we have to run the command select version. See, we have installed 18.2. Q to quit. The first step after connecting to PostgreSQL server is we have to set the password for the Postgres user, which is the super user. First verify list of users /du. See here, we have only one user. We can also verify the list of the users by running the command. See, we got the same. Now set the password for this user. Alter user, username is Postgres with password. Then provide the password. Whatever is there in singular double quotes, it is the password. We have successfully set the password. Now verify list of databases /l. See, these are the default databases that comes with PostgreSQL Server installation. Or we can get the list of the databases by running select dat name from pg underscore database. See, these are the default databases. Now create database. Create database. See, we have created database, and this is the one of the database. These are the settings of the database. Quit. Now switch to this database and create a table. To switch to database, we have to use the command \c, then provide the name of the database, or give the connect. Either is same, then provide the name of the database. See, you are now connected to database back as user Postgres. Now verify list of tables. See, we don't have any table, so create table. See, we have created a table customer in public schema, and this is the one of the table. Now insert some data into this table. See, we have inserted these rows. Now we will create user. Create. Whatever is there in singular double quotes, it is the password. See, we have created user David. Now we will connect PostgreSQL server with this new user. To exit from the current session, we have to use the \q esql -h. H means hostname, localhost, because PostgreSQL server is installed on this one. Localhost is fine, or you can give the IP or loopback IP of the machine. -u must be caps. Then username is David. -d means database. Then provide the password of this user. See, whatever is there in singular double quotes, it is the password. See, we have successfully connected. Let us verify the currently logged in user. See, we have connected to PostgreSQL server with the user David \c. See, we are able to connect to database, but try to run the query against the table that is there in this database. See, permission in for table customer, because we have created user but haven't granted any privileges. That's why you have received this error. Exit. Now we'll see how to stop, start and restart PostgreSQL server on Ubuntu 24.04.4 LTS version. We can't stop or start with this Postgres user. So exit, sudo systemctl stop PostgreSQL. Verify the status. See, PostgreSQL server is stopped. We can also verify by trying to connect to PostgreSQL server. Yes. See, we are unable to connect. So start it again. Verify the status. See, PostgreSQL server is started 1 second. If you want to restart, sudo systemctl restart PostgreSQL. See, we have restarted 1 second ago. Until now, we have connected PostgreSQL server by using PSQL client. You can also connect PostgreSQL server by using pgadmin or TP. Those are the most popular tools. So you can search for my YouTube channel how to install both on Ubuntu operating systems. Okay, the last option that I want to show is connect to PostgreSQL server PSQL. Now we'll find the list of the config files and data directory locations. Show config_file. This file contains PostgreSQL server level configuration information. Other file is HPA. HPA means host-based authentication. See, both are in the same directory. This file contains authentication rules. Show data_direct. Log directory. Show log_direct. Okay, so in this video we have seen how to install and configure PostgreSQL server 18.2 on Ubuntu operating systems. Okay, for more PostgreSQL tutorials, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.